Hey guys, this is Ted. I wanted to get back in front of the camera to share some updates that we pushed out this week for the portal, which is part of our Growlink Pro subscription. Most of these features come straight from our customers, your requests, and of course those items get immediately added to our roadmap and released over time. One of the new features I want to point out is the new custom dashboards. Now you're able to build custom dashboards in your individual rooms, showing whatever devices and sensors in whatever order you want to show them. You also now have the ability to make organization dashboards, and these allow you to pull sensors and devices from any room and consolidate them onto a single view. In dosing recipes for the fertigation system, we added a slider, so now you can scale up or down your recipes, making it a lot easier when you're going from week to week and the recipe doesn't change, just the EC increases. We've also added a couple of things to the dashboard so that you can know immediately what's going on. So the active rule group now appears on the dashboard, as well as the active dosing recipe for that room. We added new light level conversions from Lux to PPFD based on light type. So now you can go in and select whether you have an LED, HED, or whatever light type you have, and it just makes those readings that much more accurate. Some settings that you can go in and change. Now we support both 12-hour and a 24-hour time period. And we also added sorting to all the columns. So if you're in your rules, you can sort the rules by any one of the columns that display, and you can also do that under modules. I'm going to start getting on camera and walking through these releases as they come out so that you guys have all the information you need on what we're developing, what's in our roadmap. All of this comes from our customers providing feedback and suggestions to make our platform better, and we certainly appreciate that, and we'll keep working hard for you.